Hey, Ryan here with AlarmSystemStore.com. Today I'm going to show you a wireless entry alert system. It's the Enforcer made by Seco-Larm. It's a model number E931CS22RFCQ, and it's a nifty little thing. Like I said, it's wireless, so you can mount this thing at the end of a driveway, at the entrance of a building, and you can have a wireless siren elsewhere. So let's go to my desk. I will show you this. I will also show you a couple additional accessories that's available for it. A solar panel with a battery, so that way you don't have to have power where you are going to mount the photo beam, and also a additional wireless speaker that you can add to the system as well. So you can have multiple speakers on this. For instance, if you have a entry alert at the end of your driveway, you got an upstairs and downstairs, you can have a speaker upstairs, speaker downstairs, maybe a speaker in your garage. It's real simple to add to this. You just do a quick simple pair of the devices and you're good to go. So let's go to my desk and I will show you this nifty little gadget. Okay, here we are at my programming table. I have unboxed the wireless entry alert system made by Seco-Larm. It's the Enforcer. This photo alert system, photo beam, can actually be mounted like outside at the end of a driveway, and you don't have to run any wires to the inside of your house or business. And we have a speaker that can be mounted inside, and like I said, no wires or anything like that. If you don't have power at the end of your driveway, they do make a optional accessory. It's a solar charger. You just hook the solar charger to the unit, and it also has a battery that it keeps charged. I will show you that in just a few moments. Also, if you want additional speakers, maybe you've got an upstairs and downstairs and you want a speaker downstairs and a speaker upstairs, they have additional wireless speakers as well that you can use. But when you open up the box, you will get mounting brackets, you'll get a nice little small Phillips screwdriver, a speaker, your photo beam, the reflector, and you will actually get two of these. I'm using my two because I've got them plugged in already. I'm going to show you this, but you will get actually two of these power adapters. When you first open and take everything out of the box, go ahead and plug it in, and before you install everything, it's easier to do it right on the table. You'll flip the speaker over, which I've got it on its back already, and in the middle between a timer and a volume, there's a little hole, and you'll actually take a paper clip or a tie or something, press that button. You'll take and unscrew this little screw here on the photo beam, and what we are doing, we are actually pairing the two together. And there are two different methods that you can use to pair these, which I've accidentally already tripped it so it's paired. If you push the button inside the speaker, and down inside here in the beam there's a little button that you can push as well, and when you push it and then that chimes ding dong, it is actually paired. You can clear, you can add additional sirens, and that's pretty much it. There's a volume if you want to control the volume of the speaker, and a timer. The timer will only work if you have it set to an alarm. So if you want an alarm to sound when the beam is tripped, you can adjust the timer. So the max is 30 seconds, the shortest is 3 seconds. So depending on where you set that timer, depends on how long the alarm will work. In this case, we actually want to keep it on chime. It's that simple. Put the cover back on, go and mount your devices where they need to go, and you're good to go. I mentioned additional sirens available. When you get additional sirens, it's the same thing. You open up your box, you get an additional siren, additional power supply, flip it over, you will trip the pairing button on the back side of the speaker, and then you will then trip your wireless device, or you can open it up, push the button inside. The siren will make a small beep, and after about 10 seconds it will beep again, a little bit longer beep to let you know that it is paired. That's simple as far as putting a second wireless siren on your entry alert system. Now the solar panel. Inside the box of the solar panel, you'll get an adapter to where the solar panel will attach to. That way you can mount it outside somewhere on the side of a building. Also, here's a solar panel with a cord, quite a bit of cord to where you can plug into the power. And I will actually do this here real quick. Here's the power to the photo beam. I'll unhook it. I will put the solar panel to it. Now it will run off the solar panel, but also there is a nice little battery that connects right here inside the unit. Of course, I put power to it. Close it up. If I take my mounting bracket, then I can take this all and go out to the end of my driveway, side of a building, wherever, and mount this. It's really simple, really easy, and I am actually surprised at how easy it is once I open this box up to figure everything out. Of course, you always want to make sure when you mount the beam, mount your reflector, you know, they've got to go across from each other, or it's not going to work. It's going to be a little bit of playing with to get it all lined up, but it's really not that hard. I really feel that anyone is able to hook one of these things up. Like I just said, it's not that hard. Just a little bit of tweaking with the brackets. They do have where you can move things around to get some adjustments made, but overall it's really easy. This is the Enforcer. It's a wireless entry alert system made by Seco-Larm. If you would like more information, give us a call, 888-811-0727, and check us out online at www.alarmsystemstore.com. I'm Ryan, and thanks for watching this review.